DJM TV.
Do you subscribe, Governor, to the police preliminary investigation where they said Ipob and the MSN are responsible for the attacks?
Their tactics is that they try to identify grievances of people in a particular area. If it is Imo State and probably there are some Ipob people who are not happy, they hire hoodlums from outside Imo State. They bring them in pretending to be Ipob, and they commit this crime and they they go away. So it is not about Ipob. Yes, we agree. We have aggrieved Ipob members, but I can tell you, those who are doing this destruction, most of them were brought from outside Imo State.
So, if you say that they are really not Ipob members, another insinuation that a few commentators have put into this is perhaps the military operations that we saw in the past few days, which of course you also commented about. Is there any link between that military operations and what we saw in the last few days?
As I speak to you, honest political leaders and religious leaders have approached me to encourage military to come around because these people have created fear into the citizens by their dastardly act. So it is not about the military. If anything, our people want the military around so that they can have sense of security and go about their businesses without fear of any molestation.
But in what we have seen, you said that you are going to send a report to the federal government on what is happening. So how do you then handle the situation going forward? Your people need assurances that they could be safe in their own land, in their own state, and in their own community. Any guarantees for them, the ones that you have done immediately and the plans that you have for the immediate future?
Yeah, yesterday the former Inspector General of Police
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People and people don't say no, they don't like it. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.